As part of my TBOA series, I'm going to be pitting these two amazing books against each other. They are Sefi Atta's A Bit of Difference and Everything Good Will Come. So let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Rachel here. As always, hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a thing. You can also like this video as well so that it is recommended to other viewers. As I said earlier, today I'm going to be doing episode 1 of the TBOA series and I'm super excited about this. If you don't know what the TBOA series is, I posted a video I think a week ago or so explaining what this video is. I will leave the link to the video in my description box so that you guys can check it out. But the two books up against each other today are Sefi Atta's A Bit of Difference and Everything Good Will Come. Amazingly, I've done book reviews on these two books, so if you want to pause this video and go and watch the book reviews before you come back, then that's fine. Of course, most of my book reviews are literally spoiler free, so you can have a good time watching those book reviews before you come back to this. Either way, you can finish watching this and then you can go and have a field day watching the book reviews. As I said in my introduction of the TBOA series, the videos are not going to be full book reviews of these books. It's just telling you my reading experience as I read both books, which one I preferred, which one won this particular round, and so on and so forth. You get the drift. So let's get started. So A Bit of Difference is about a young woman. Her name is Diola, and her name is Diola Bello. She's 39 and she's working in London. A series of events happens where she moves back to Nigeria, and of course she goes through the whole experience of being in Nigeria, being 39, being single and unmarried, and it just basically chronicles her life and different experiences as she's in Nigeria, back and forth between London and Nigeria. So it's more about her finding herself, her own journey, evading people's expectations and just traditional and societal norms, and just finding her own path in life. Then Everything Good Will Come is about a young girl, Eniton Taiwo. It's 1971 when the book is first set, and it's set up until when Eniton grows up and becomes a woman and has a daughter. So it starts when she's 11, and the book is written in first-person narrative, as if it's Eniton that is telling her own story. I don't think that there were any chapters in this particular book, but oh my goodness, I loved it. I thought that these two books were amazing storytelling, and they had amazing writing style. Of course, it's Sefi Atta, so the writing is obviously going to be great. I wasn't expecting anything less, but I had two different reading experiences when I read this book. When I read this book, I particularly could not connect with Diola Bello as the major protagonist of this book. Like, I just felt like she had this very weird character, and it did not take anything from Sefi Atta's amazing writing, but I was just like, oh my goodness. And to be honest, I didn't really vibe with some certain parts of the book because they were set in London and I've never lived there before, but I had a hard time connecting with Diola Bello as a character, and I think that that's what Sefi Atta was able to create from her writing, a character that was somewhat stoic, somewhat like uptight, somewhat self-righteous, who now goes through a lot of series of events that makes her relax herself generally. But oh my goodness, Diola Bello as a person, she's like my least favorite fictional character that I've ever met. On the other hand, I was madly in love with Eniton Taiwo. I love the writing. I love the fact that I got to experience things through her head when she was 11, when she was 15 in boarding school, when she was playing with friends, when she grew up into a teenager, some experiences that she and her friends had gone through. Oh my goodness, it was really amazing, and I thought that Sefi Atta also did a good job in terms of the imagery and writing in this book, sort of depicting Lagos under the military rule and Nigeria as it were, and different things were inculcated into the plot of the book to give you that good feel of 1971 down onto maybe the 80s or the 90s and how Nigeria was at that particular time. All in all, both of them were amazing reads. I totally enjoyed them, honestly. But who wins this round of the TBOA series? Definitely Sefi Atta's Everything Good Will Come. I had an amazing time reading this book. I absolutely loved it. It's one of my Nigerian fiction books that I enjoyed reading. I also loved Sefi Atta's A Bit of Difference, but like I said, this one takes the cake. So that is all for the first episode of the TBOA series. I'm going to be doing more of these books, like I said, so if you want, you can go and check out the video introducing the series so that you guys know what to expect as time goes on. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you've read either of these books in the comments, and which one you preferred, or which one you've read and which one you've not read, or which one you hope to read. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.